Hey there, folks. Ever wonder why some people seem to have a knack for managing their money? It's not magic, it's financial IQ. Think of it like street smarts, but for your wallet. Having a high financial IQ means you're in the driver's seat of your financial future. You make smart decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. No more living paycheck to paycheck or stressing about debt. In this video, we're going to break down the essential elements of financial intelligence. From budgeting basics to smart investing, we'll give you the tools you need to take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. Get ready to elevate your financial IQ and watch your financial well-being soar. Now, you might be thinking, financial stuff, that's complicated. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. We're going to simplify things and make it easy to understand. Think of it like learning a new language, one that will help you speak fluent financial success. Throughout this video, we'll be your guides, breaking down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces. We'll cover everything from budgeting and saving to investing and planning for the future. No more feeling lost or overwhelmed. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your financial game, this video has something for everyone. We'll share practical tips, actionable strategies, and real-world examples that you can implement right away. Get ready to unlock your full financial potential. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of money to get started. All it takes is a willingness to learn and a commitment to improving your financial literacy. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Over the next few minutes, we'll equip you with the knowledge and confidence to make informed financial decisions. No more second-guessing or relying on luck. We'll empower you to take charge of your financial well-being and create a brighter future. So are you ready to embark on this exciting journey to financial freedom? Let's dive in and elevate your financial IQ together. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. When we talk about financial IQ, we're talking about understanding the basics, things like budgeting, saving, and investing. These are the building blocks of a solid financial future, the foundation upon which you can build your financial empire. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't start with the roof, right? You need a strong foundation first. Same goes for your finances. You gotta master these fundamental concepts to create a secure and stable future. Now, some people hear budget and they cringe. They think it's about restricting themselves, about saying no to everything fun. But that's not it at all. It's about taking control, about making your money work for you instead of the other way around. Section 2, Budgeting, your financial roadmap. Budgeting is simply a plan for your money. It's about tracking where your money is going and making conscious decisions about how you want to spend it. It helps you understand your income, your expenses, and where you can potentially save more. Think of it like a roadmap. It helps you navigate your finances, avoid unnecessary detours, like impulse purchases, and reach your destination, financial freedom, faster and more efficiently. Now, there are tons of different budgeting methods out there, from the 50-30-20 rule to the envelope system. The key is to find one that works best for you, one that fits your lifestyle and spending habits. Section 3, Setting goals and reaching for the stars. Speaking of destinations, let's talk about financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? A down payment on a house, early retirement, a comfortable nest egg for the future? Setting clear and specific financial goals is crucial. It gives you something to work towards, a target to aim for. It keeps you motivated and focused on making smart financial decisions. When you have a goal in mind, it's easier to resist those tempting impulse buys. You're more likely to save that extra cash because you know it's bringing you one step closer to your dream. All right, folks, now that we've covered the basics, it's time to roll up our sleeves and create your personalized financial plan. Think of this as your financial blueprint, a roadmap to guide you towards your financial goals. First things first, you gotta know where you stand. Take a good hard look at your income and expenses. What's coming in each month? Where's it all going? This might seem daunting, but trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. There are tons of tools and apps out there that can help you track your spending and create a budget. You can go old school with a pen and paper or use a fancy app, whatever works best for you. The key is to be honest with yourself and track everything. Section 2, Tracking your cash flow. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to see where you can potentially save. Look for areas where you might be overspending. Those daily lattes add up. Remember, every little bit counts. Think of it like plugging up leaks in a boat. Every dollar you save is like bailing out a bucket of water. The more leaks you plug, the less you have to bail, and the smoother your financial journey will be. Now, I'm not saying you have to live like a monk and give up everything you enjoy. It's about finding a balance, about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Treat yourself, but do it in moderation and within your budget. Section 3. Allocating your resources. With a solid budget in place, you can start allocating your funds towards your financial goals. This is where the magic happens, folks. By setting aside money for savings and investments, you're putting your money to work for you. First and foremost, build that emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This will be your safety net, your peace of mind in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Next, start tackling any debt you may have. High-interest debt can be a real drag on your finances, so prioritize paying that down as quickly as possible. Once you're out of debt, you can focus on investing and growing your wealth. Section 4. Staying the course. Creating a financial plan is a great first step, but the real key is sticking to it. Life happens, unexpected expenses pop up, and it can be tempting to stray from your budget. But stay strong, folks. Consistency is key. Think of it like training for a marathon. You wouldn't just run on the weekends and expect to cross the finish line, right? You gotta put in the work consistently day after day to reach your goal. Review your budget regularly, make adjustments as needed, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. There are tons of resources available, from financial advisors to online communities that can provide support and guidance along the way. All right, let's talk credit. Now, credit can be a tricky beast. It can either be your best friend or your worst enemy, depending on how you handle it. See, credit is essentially borrowing money that you promise to pay back later, with interest. It's how you buy a car, get a mortgage, even rent an apartment sometimes. Having good credit opens doors, folks. It gives you access to lower interest rates, better loan terms, and can even impact your ability to rent an apartment or get certain jobs. Think of it like your financial report card, a reflection of your financial responsibility. But here's the catch. Mishandling credit can lead you down a slippery slope of debt and financial stress. High interest rates can quickly snowball, leaving you trapped in a cycle of debt that seems impossible to escape. That's why it's crucial to understand how credit works and how to use it responsibly. So, how do you build good credit? Well, it takes time, consistency, and responsible financial behavior. Start by establishing a positive credit history. This means paying your bills on time, every time. No excuses. Set up automatic payments or reminders to avoid late fees and negative marks on your credit report. Another important factor is your credit utilization ratio. This refers to how much credit you're using versus your total available credit. Keep it low, ideally below 30%, to show lenders that you're not maxing out your credit cards. Think of it like a pie. You don't want to eat the whole pie, just a slice. Also, diversify your credit mix. Having different types of credit, like a credit card and an auto loan, can demonstrate to lenders that you can manage different types of debt responsibly. But remember, don't open multiple accounts just for the sake of it. Quality over quantity, folks. Now, I know all this talk about credit scores and utilization ratios might seem overwhelming, but trust me, it's worth it. Having good credit can save you thousands of dollars in interest payments over your lifetime. Plus, it gives you peace of mind knowing that you're in control of your finances. Imagine qualifying for the lowest interest rates on a mortgage, saving you potentially tens of thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Or think about having the financial freedom to snag that last-minute flight deal without worrying about going into debt. That's the power of good credit. Remember, building good credit is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and discipline. But the rewards are well worth it. So, start building those good credit habits today and watch your financial well-being soar. All right, folks, we've covered a lot of ground, from budgeting to building good credit. Now let's dive into the exciting world of investing. See, saving your money is great, but investing is how you really make your money work for you. It's about putting your hard-earned cash into assets that have the potential to grow over time, building wealth and securing your financial future. Think of it like planting a seed. You water it, nurture it, and over time it grows into a strong and fruitful tree. Investing is similar. You plant your money in a promising asset, and with time and patience, it has the potential to multiply and bear financial fruit. Now, there are tons of different ways to invest, from stocks and bonds to real estate, and even starting your own business. Each investment vehicle has its own set of risks and potential rewards. The key is to understand your risk tolerance, investment goals, and choose investments that align with your overall financial plan. Now, before you dive headfirst into the investment pool, it's crucial to understand the relationship between risk and reward. Generally, the higher the potential reward, the higher the risk involved. See, high-risk investments, like individual stocks, can offer the potential for significant gains, but they also come with the possibility of losing some or all of your investment. On the flip side, low-risk investments, like bonds, tend to offer more stability and lower potential returns. They're like the tortoise in the race, slow and steady but less likely to lose your money. The key is to find a balance that you're comfortable with, one that aligns with your investment timeline and risk appetite. Think of it like a roller coaster. Some folks love the thrill of a high-speed, heart-stopping ride, while others prefer a more leisurely pace. Similarly, some investors are comfortable with higher levels of risk, while others prefer a more conservative approach. There's no right or wrong answer. It's all about finding what works best for you. Now, when it comes to investing, diversification is key. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, right? The same goes for your investments. Diversifying means spreading your money across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions. Think of it like a well-balanced meal. You wouldn't want to eat just pizza every day, right? You need a variety of nutrients to stay healthy. Similarly, diversifying your investments helps to mitigate risk. If one investment takes a hit, the others can help to cushion the blow. There are many ways to diversify your portfolio. You can invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which pool money from multiple investors to buy a basket of stocks, bonds, or other assets. This provides instant diversification and can be a great option for beginners. All right, folks, we've talked about building wealth, but what about protecting it? It's like building a fortress. You gotta have strong defenses to protect what you've worked so hard for. That's where emergency funds and insurance come in. They're your financial safety net, your peace of mind in a world full of uncertainties. Think of an emergency fund as your rainy day fund. It's there to cover those unexpected expenses that life throws your way. A sudden job loss, a medical emergency, a broken down car. These things happen, folks, and it's best to be prepared. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. That might sound like a lot, but trust me, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Start small, even if it's just $50 a month, and gradually build it up over time. Section 2. Planning for the unexpected. Now let's talk insurance. I know it's not the most exciting topic, but it's crucial for protecting yourself and your loved ones from financial ruin. See, insurance is like a safety net that catches you if something unexpected happens. There are different types of insurance: health insurance, car insurance, life insurance, homeowners insurance, each designed to protect you from specific risks. The key is to assess your needs and choose the right coverage for your situation. Think of it like this. You wouldn't drive a car without car insurance, right? Well, you shouldn't go through life without proper insurance coverage either. It's about protecting yourself from the financial burden of unexpected events, allowing you to navigate those challenges without derailing your financial progress. Section 1. Your financial destiny awaits. So there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the basics of budgeting and saving to the exciting world of investing and the importance of protecting your assets. Remember, building a solid financial future doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and grow. Think of it like building a skyscraper. You wouldn't expect to reach the top floor in a single day, right? It takes careful planning, brick by brick, layer by layer, to construct a strong and enduring structure. Similarly, building a secure financial future requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to making smart choices consistently. The good news is you don't have to be a financial whiz to achieve financial success. With the right knowledge and tools, anyone can take control of their finances and create a brighter future. The key is to start now. Take it one step at a time and never stop learning. Section 2. Reaping the rewards of financial savvy. Imagine a life where you're not stressed about money, where you can pursue your passions without worrying about the financial burden, where you have the freedom to make choices that align with your values and goals. That's the power of financial intelligence, folks. When you elevate your financial IQ, you're not just improving your relationship with money, you're improving your overall well-being. You gain peace of mind, reduce stress and anxiety, and open up a world of possibilities for yourself and your loved ones. So are you ready to take charge of your financial destiny? Are you ready to break free from financial stress and embrace a future filled with possibilities? The choice is yours, folks. Invest in yourself, elevate your financial IQ, and watch your financial well-being soar. Section 3. Take charge today, secure your tomorrow. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Don't get overwhelmed by the big picture. Start small, take action, and celebrate your progress along the way. Even small changes, like brewing your coffee at home instead of hitting the coffee shop every day, can add up to big savings over time. And hey, we're here to support you every step of the way. Check out the resources in the description below for more tips, tools, and inspiration to help you on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that benefit you and your loved ones. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step today and start building the financial future you deserve.